Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's do a makeup. And I do want to chat with you about nothing. Just random chat. Maybe I will title this this video something like what do you how do you plan your YouTube video, how to start a YouTube channel, or what do you record for YouTube video. One thing, through all this experience, through many years of doing, one thing very predictable. Oh, I forgot to put cream. But not the end of the world. One thing quite... oh, there is echo in this room. One thing that is very predictable is that it is unpredictable. A lot of video, you put a lot of effort, you paid a lot of attention to make, end up no view, no result. And a lot of video, you do not pay attention, you do not care, you just randomly make it, end up having more views or having a bigger impact. So I remember there was one time I went to a meetup 2 or 3 years ago when meetup was a thing. And that was a video maker meetup. And one of the video group is called How to Make Viral Video. I do not know how many viral video they make, but I bring it up just for the sake of talking about it, the concept of it. What we can do is to make video. What we cannot do is to decide if it goes viral or not. Not even goes viral or not. People watch or not is beyond our control, our ability. You may have a good flashing title to bring people in, which end up hurting you. Do I make sense? If you get people to your channel and you do not have, if I get people to my channel and I do not have the quality to entertain people, you will end up people regret and people dislike you. and leave some very, very sincere, angry comments. I do have people say, 2 seconds of my life, no, 2 minutes of my life, something like it. You get the idea, do you? Right? So, do not try too hard. From what I have experienced, every day, every time I try hard, it gets the same result as I do not try. Video like this, that you just live your life, I just live my life, end up to be just as I live. So I do not put expectation. I do not put pressure. On things. It ends up no pressure. It ends up more sustainable. Do I make any sense? Do not try too hard. Try hard is too tiring. Is problem provoking. You live your life, I live my life. You come, you are welcome, and you do not come, it is absolutely okay with me. And if you have this very relaxed sense, very relaxed spirit in your heart, it is much easier. Do not try too hard to make a video. Set up the camera, set up the lighting, put on the lighting. It does not change very much. You have a good face, you attract people naturally. You have a good voice, you attract people naturally, instantly. If you do not have these, if you are just like me, who does not have gifts from heaven, we get a gift of no gift. That is to say, we become attractive because we have no gift. We become attractive because we are the reflection of human weakness. We are the reflection of ordinary. We are the reflection of imperfection. We are imperfection. We are human imperfection. We are human weakness. We are taking the majority of everyday life or everyday person, which have a lot of dream, which have a lot of expectation, which we are not reaching to our expectation, which is the miserable fact we are living in. And by showing it, by showing our human weakness, by showing our human dream, by showing our human imperfection, we are showing something that is less shown. Do I make any sense? I am trying to say, when you do something against the norm, you can make it a little bit different. Do I make any sense? Good-looking people, no, nothing about appearance. You know, when we everyday life is normal life with not pretension, not pretending, someone come to the YouTube, come to the social media and pretend. They deserve to stand out because they are breaking the normal norm. And then pretension becomes a norm. Social media or anything in life. Isn't it true? Pretension is the norm. Like myself, pretension. And if at this time you be yourself, becomes breaking the norm. So, at the end of the day, anything you do is right, as long as you are comfortable with what you are doing. Do I make any sense? The whole 12 minutes of your life is about one thing. Not to try too hard. Just be comfortable with yourself. If you are a pretentious person, be comfortable with your pretension, and that is part of your personality. If you are not a pretentious people, if you are a normal person or non-pretentious person, be comfortable with your non-pretentious potentiality and be comfortable with your normality. And the truth is that we are all the mixture of pretension and authenticity and not pretension. So, so be comfortable with whatever we are. Wow, that's quite a shake. Whew, I need some time to calm down myself. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye.